WeChat sign up. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. In this video, I will teach you how to create WeChat account. So let's begin. Open your WeChat app. If you do not have installed your WeChat app, you can simply install it from Google Store or Play Store or your App Store if it's your iPhone. Then, if you already have an account, simply tap on login. If you do not, then tap on sign up. Then you have these two options: sign up via mobile or sign up via Facebook. Then, if you want to sign up using mobile, you can tap on here and enter your country or region code and then enter your phone number and then create a password. But if you want to sign up using Facebook, tap on sign up via Facebook. This is the easier method. You just have to log into your Facebook email and password and done. You just have to do that and your sign up will be completed. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.